Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of convenient meal heating with the HotLogic Mini Portable Electric Lunchbox Food Heater.
If you're on the hunt for the best food warmer lunchbox on the market, look no further.
Let's explore why this innovative device is a game-changer for mealtime convenience.
At first glance, the HotLogic Mini may seem like your ordinary lunchbox, but don't be fooled. It's a powerhouse when it comes to heating up your favorite meals, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go.
What sets the HotLogic Mini apart is its versatility. Unlike traditional lunchboxes that merely keep your food warm, this electric lunchbox heater can actually cook your meals to perfection.
Whether you're reheating leftovers or cooking a fresh meal from scratch, the HotLogic Mini can handle it all with ease. Thanks to its low slow conduction heat technology, the HotLogic Mini ensures that your food is heated evenly without overcooking or drying out. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of containers, including glass, plastic, Tupperware, and more, so you can use your favorite meal prep containers without any hassle.
Using the HotLogic Mini is as simple as can be. Just place your meal inside, plug it in, and let it work its magic.
There are no buttons to fiddle with, no venting required, just set it and forget it.
It's perfect for busy individuals who want a hassle-free way to enjoy hot meals anytime, anywhere. And let's talk about portability.
Whether you're commuting to work, traveling on a road trip, or heading to a potluck with friends, the HotLogic Mini is the ultimate companion. Its compact size and sturdy construction make it easy to take with you wherever you go, ensuring that you always have hot, delicious meals at your fingertips. In conclusion, the HotLogic Mini Portable Electric Lunchbox Food Heater is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify mealtime and enjoy hot, homemade meals on the go. With its innovative technology, versatile compatibility, and unmatched convenience, it's no wonder why this product is the best of the best.
Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Until next time, happy eating!